Welcome back. Basalt stone worth 25 crores 72 lakhs has been robbed from state's custody in Dharbandora taluka. Mines department has complained with Kurchone police against unknown for illegally extracting and committing theft of basalt stone from government's revenue land. Further investigation is on.
Some unknown accused person illegally extracted and committed theft of more than 412168 square meters rock, that is basalt stone, all worth rupees 25 crores 71 lakhs 92,832 from the government revenue land and private land. त्याच्या कंप्लेनी प्रमाणे आम्ही ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केलो अंडर सेक्शन 379 IPC 3 and 62 of Goa Daman and Diu Minor and Mineral Concession Rule 1985. त्याचप्रमाणे आम्ही कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर करून जागेचो पंचनामा केलो along with head surveyor and complainant सूरज कलमुटकर हांकां घेवन आमी जागेचो पंचनामा केलो आनी त्या नंतर आमी हेतून कोण अननोन मनीस इन्वॉल्व आसा हेजें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता. लीगल पेपर आमी कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटान मागले आसा. मामलेदार ऑफिसारीन 114 फॉर्म कोणाची जाग्याचो कोणाले लागले आसा नांवाचेर ते मागले आसा आनी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा.
Goa is facing 23% rainfall deficit till date as compared to last season despite improved monsoon in the month of July. In the month of June, deficit was still higher. It was 69 centimeters rainfall last June, whereas this year it is just 46 centimeters. The incessant rain and gusty winds, however, has affected the normal life of common man on Sunday and Monday at several places in the state. Trees were uprooted, compound walls collapsed. Here is a report.
Last year seasonal total was from 1st June to September 30th. In 2013 it was 275 centimeters. This year in June rainfall was less. This year in June it was only 46 centimeters, whereas last year was 69 centimeters. State average is around 99 centimeters, so which is around 23% deficit so far actually. Further this rainfall may decrease actually for 2-3 days. Thereafter again it will start.
The compound wall of Chirkute Government High School collapsed. Fortunately, no human injuries were reported.
हांवें डायरेक्ट आमच्या माननी मंत्र्याक मेसेज दिली की अशें कंपाउंड मोडलो म्हणून आनी ताणें शॉर्टली रोखडेंच इंजिनियराक सांगून ताणें हांगा धाडले आनी ते मेजरमेंट बी घेवन गेल्या आनी ताणें सांगलां की शॉर्टली आमी करता म्हणून.
The incessant rains also damaged the compound wall and a mini garden of Chitrangi residency at Ponda on Sunday. The Sarpanch claims an estimated loss of 50 lakhs. This was the situation in Margao city. Roads and field were seen submerged in rainwater. The retaining wall of a pathway collapsed at Kolmarod Naveli and it now poses a danger to the commuters in the locality.
आणि आज इतले डेंजर जाल्ले आसा की स्कुला भुरगे वयता हे सायडीन आनी हार्डली 1 मीटर सुद्दां उरून आतां भुरग्यांक चलून वचपाक आनी कितें कोणूय एकलो स्लीप जावन सपोज ह्या व्हाळां पडलो जाल्यार रिवर्स आलां पावपा सारकी इतलो लोड मारता.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government intends to finalize Regional Plan 2021, but as of now, it is facing financial crunch and is focusing on collecting revenue. This is what the Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldana told the villagers of Kansauli. Kansaulikars are demanding redrafting of Regional Plan 2021 and its enforcement.
The Regional Plan 2021 was drafted by the previous government. Plan was thrown open to the public and suggestions, objections were invited from the public. And the government intends to do that. Unfortunately, as you're all aware, severe problems cropped in. The government was facing a financial crunch with the closure of mining, and so the focus changed. Because government had to find ways and means to collect revenue, to see that the governance continues. Okay. Now, in your name, I'm going to once again request the government to hurry up with this process.
The villagers of Kasauli under the Kasauli Villagers Action Committee object to the mega projects and hotels coming up in their village. They've demanded that RP 2021 should be redrafted and brought in use.
आमच्याच गावाच्या भावांनी ती हॉटेलां जागे विकल्यात.
जर आमी जमीन सांबाळी जाल्यारूच आमी गोंयकार गोंय उरतले आनी गोंयकारपण उरतले. नाल्यार आमी झगडी मारून हांगा कितलेशेच इश्यू आज हांगा तयार जाता आमकां झगडी मारपाक. तेजेर लक्ष दिवं नाकात. हो रिजनल प्लॅन आसा पळयात, तेका लागून आमी सरकाराच्या फाटी लागूंक जाय.
Savio Das for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.